Nat.
Good job.
Stop it. I don't like when you say that.
Okay, I won't say good job.
Nat. Sat.
Good job.
Sam.
Mm-hmm.
Sam.
Yep.
Sam sat. Nat sat. Sam sat.
Good boy.
This is so easy.
Kersey, this is only your second time reading this book.
Nat. Nat.
Mm-hmm.
And Sam.
Mm-mm.
Sant.
Sat.
Sat. On.
Uh-huh.
On.
Mm-hmm.
Sam.
Good boy. Look at the letters and sound it out.
Sam. Stand.
What?
Hold
on. Sam. What did Sam do?
Stand. Sam. Sat.
Mm-hmm.
On. Mat.
Good boy.
Stop.
I'm sorry. I'm just so proud of you. Can you finish it up? I think
Next-
there's only a couple more pages.
Next time, don't do that.
Okay.
Matt sat. Sam sat.
Cooper, you're in my video. The end!
Can I read the second one?
Sure.